Once again. Perhatikan. Pay attention here. Perhatikan sini. Goodbye. Selamat tinggal. Good luck. Semoga sukses. Atau berhasil. Good morning, Ani. Selamat pagi, Ani. Good morning. How are you? Selamat pagi, apa kabar? I'm fine. Thank you. Saya baik-baik, terima kasih. Come in and sit down, please. Silakan masuk. Dan silakan duduk. Come on. Kesini. Meja. Slowly but sure. Pelan-pelan tapi pasti. Solo. Selamat tinggal. See you later. Sampai jumpa. See you guys. Sampai jumpa lagi. Okay, maybe enough until now. Then now you can do shake hand with me, okay? Okay.
No, you can.
Shake hand. Okay, thank you.